the BOXYCHARM and Tarte takeover. I did not expect to get this in the mail, but I'm super excited and want to do an unboxing for you guys. This is what it looks like right here. They are doing takeovers from different brands, and Tarte is an amazing one. I absolutely love them. I own a ton of their palettes. I pulled out quite a few of their palettes to show you guys. But love this. So if you've ever wanted to try Tarte or love Tarte, this is a great box for you. I don't know if this is just part of the subscription or it's going to be like separate boxes that you purchase separately, because I didn't really get much information. So I will try to find that information and either put it across the screen or down below for you. Let's go ahead and get started. I have my nifty little beautiful card here. I wish I always had a card. Anyways, okay, first things first is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. This is a Boxy exclusive. It seems to me that this palette was made exclusively for this box, so it won't be something that you can purchase in store. This is $30 and is a 9 pan. I pulled out some of my eyeshadow palettes because I don't want to actually use this. I'm going to be giving it away. You guys know I'm on a low buy. I'm trying to declutter a lot of things, and I don't like just hoarding products, especially something that I can dupe or have something similar. But I did want to show you the packaging is really cute, just very simple. It is plastic and nice and hard, so really nice for traveling. And then when you open it up, it has a really nice size mirror. And then look at these eyeshadow shades. They're just perfect for everyday, neutral. Also, the person that I'm going to be giving this to, her daughter is a teen and has just started playing with makeup. And I feel like this kind of palette is perfect for that, for somebody who just wants, you know, something neutral and just is starting out in makeup. And then also, if they want to add a pop of color, they can add on from a different palette, like pops of color to this. But this is a beautiful, like, everyday for if you work in an office and have to go quote unquote professional, or if, you know, you're more into neutrals. Just I feel like more people gravitate towards neutrals than colors. So really nice, great little 9 pan, and I absolutely love Tarte. I own quite a bit of their palettes. I'm going to show you guys. So these are all the palettes that I own from Tarte, which is why I decided to give this one away. I don't want to just keep hoarding stuff. I love their formula. I don't really like when they do holiday palettes, but their like man-eater formula is absolutely amazing. The Tarte lip palettes, these little round ones are absolutely amazing, and I love the packaging. I own 3 of those, and they haven't been decluttered from my collection because I literally just can't let them go. Also, the Tarteist ones are absolutely amazing. This one, which is the Pro Remix, is really nice because it has like pops of colors. While if you're looking for a more neutral one, the Tarteist Pro is beautiful because it has like a great variety of mattes and then these shimmers to play with. So these are absolutely amazing. They have like this chocolatey smell to them. I don't know if it's just me, but to me, when I open it, it kind of like gives me that whiff. Okay, so that's the first thing in the box. The next thing is the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener. This is $25. It's a 2-in-1. It's supposed to, oh, wait, that's not it. It's this right here. So this is supposed to be a felt tip liner, and then it has a cream eyeliner on the end of it. I don't really care for felt tips. It's really rare for me to find a felt tip that's really good. So far this one looks really nice because the tip looks really thin and precise on the end. I don't know if I'll keep this or not because right now I have probably like 5 liquid liners open. But let me go ahead and just show it to you guys. Look at how, yeah, I think I might keep this because look at how tiny that is. That is amazing, especially if you have small eyes like myself. I'm always looking for something that's very tiny. It's very hard to find felt tips that are this tiny. Let me just go ahead and, oh yeah, that is nice. Ooh, that is super pigmented. And this is just really good for either opening your inner inner corner of your eye, or on the, I can't talk, or on the waterline, on the bottom of your waterline. Any like light shade that you put on the waterline, whether it be a pastel or a white or a cream color, it's just really gonna open up your eye. And trust me, my eyes are like really hooded right now, so I feel like this would really be helpful. So I will be keeping this, and this is worth $25. Next thing is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me actually try this. This is $21. I have heard so many people talking about these. This is in the shade Rose, and these are supposed to be super creamy and glossy, and I've just been hearing so much hype about these. So let's go ahead and, oh, that feels so nice. Yes. It's like a balm, but it also has pigmentation to it, and it's so smooth. Oh yeah. That is really juicy. And I like the juicy lip look that it gives. I've really been into like glosses again. It's so funny because it's kind of like there's a trend where everybody goes through like mattes and people want just matte lips, and then people will go back to like that glossy look. It's, you know, we always like go back and forth. It's kind of like when cutting your hair, like you cut your hair and then want it long. But this is $21. It says that it gives you a mirror shine, comfortable, never sticky, and smells like coconut. Oh, yes. Oh, I like these. I'm gonna have to see if they have a variety of different shades. Like if they have a, cause this is like a pinky nude. If they have more of a warmer or a darker shade, I will pick one up. But I like this whole packaging. I like that you like click it up. It feels really nice on the lips, very glossy. Really like this, so yay. Next thing in here is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. This is $39. It is a water-based gel formula. I absolutely love the Tarte of the Sea products as far as skincare goes. I have tried previously some of their stuff and really enjoyed it. So I will be keeping this and trying it out because I love a good moisturizer like this. And these moisturizers like this, I use it like nobody's business, especially in the morning. It's just light, watery, it just absorbs into your skin, and I love this kind of like gel hybrid. Really my type of go-to hydration. I feel like gel moisturizers are really good as well for oily skin because they're not overly like saturating to the skin, so it doesn't leave you like way too moisturized as well. So I feel like it's really good for both like for both oily and dry skin. And this is worth $39. Next up is one of my all-time favorites. I actually have one open right now, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. This is $24. This mascara, let me grab the one that I have open so you guys can see it, because I don't want to open this and get bacteria or air into it. But this is what the packaging is like, a little extra, to be honest. I don't feel like they need to have like this super, like, I don't know, it's a little extra for what it is. But I really love the wand. The wand is like more of that old style classic wand. It really goes in there and like really gives you a lot of volume. I do usually pair this mascara with something that helps with lengthening and like separating, because this to me gives more like a lot of volume but doesn't separate. And it's very rare to find a mascara that does both. To be honest, I usually always pair one that volumizes with one that lengthens, and that's because their wands are totally different. Usually a wand that is for volumizing is chunkier, it'll hold more product, and you will definitely go in there and like add that volume. But one that's lengthening usually is more separated and will be more like a comb. So it's one of those reasons that I usually always have one-in-one. Lately I've been using, in conjunction with everything, the Benefit They're Real, just because it is one of those like more lengthening ones. And you'll see what I mean. It's like, it has like those little spikes in there that you can really get in there and like comb through your lashes. So that is the mascara, and this is worth $24. And the last thing in here is the Awake by Tarte. This is a sunshine stick. It says Illuminator, but when I started reading the card, I was surprised that this is actually for the under eyes. What they say is it's a vegan multitasking stick that brightens, blurs, and wakes up your under eyes. And Mama, sorry, Mama is tired. I always have dark under eye circles. I also have lines underneath there, so I'm really curious as to how this works. And I really want to try it out. When I started playing around with it and just swatched it on my hand, it does feel cooling, and hopefully you guys will see that on the camera. It does give like a reflex and like luminosity to the skin. I'm really curious as how this works, how it will work underneath concealer. Okay, sorry, I had to sneeze. But I'm very, very curious about this product. I love anything that brightens the under eyes, or it's going to help give me that bright-eyed look. And yeah, so I'm very, very curious. We'll see how this works and if I enjoy it or not. But yeah, that is everything that came in the Boxy Tarte box. I will put the total value around here. Let me know, is this something that you're picking up? I will try to have more information down below. I'd love to hear from you if this is something that calls to you, if you like these whole like takeover boxes. I really like them. I know that they had done one with Fenty. I wish they did them more consistently because I feel like there's a lot of brands or new brands coming out, and sometimes it's nice to get it like in a subscription box where you can try out like a little bit of everything and see what you like, what you don't like, and kind of feel their formula without feeling like, oh my god, I bought like $500 worth of this new brand. You know what I mean? So yeah, so let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you want to subscribe, hit that little red button. I do have my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.